Hello everyone, this is Alex with Lights Out Programming. I just wanted to show you the chat box that I just finished. I don't see a lot of multi-server, multi-client chat boxes, usually just pretty basic, but I want to show mine off a little bit. And the idea is we're going to have a server thread that holds a server, and with every server we're going to have a client handler. And that's going to handle the communication between the client and how it's sent out to the client. And then we're going to have another module called client main, which is our client that connects to the server. And that's also going to have a thread that holds a client, and then that's going to have a server handler. And that's going to be responsible for sending messages and listening to messages. So let me run the server. And now, and by the way, this is all terminal based. It's going to ask for an IP address. And so for now, we're going to do localhost and your port ID. You can put any port you want. I'm going to use 8001. Okay. And then now you can get your client to connect. And you could say Alex. It's going to ask for the IP address of the server. And for now, we're just going to do localhost. But usually this, whatever the server is connected to, you would connect to that. And then you could also put the port ID. And now we're connected. So now your username is Alex, and write something, and then this is the general format on how how the server handles my messages from the client. And let's connect another client. And this here is going to be Fred, localhost, and we'll do 8001. Alright, and now Fred is connected, and right here, online Fred. Alright, let's write something to Freddy. Let's say, message Fred, hello, this is Alex. And let's see if we got it. Our listener's working. Hello, this is Alex. Alright, and let's see if we can message Alex back. Hello. There. Now let's see if we got anything. Hello there. Alright, so it looks like it's working. No issues. Now, let's have a little keyword here, and it's called join, and then we can make a topic, like fun. And if you message fun, we'll say hello fun. We'll get a message right here to our group, but Fred won't get any message. Alright. Just double checking, nothing's broken. Alright, and then we'll say server. And this is just a hard-coded response. I just put response. Let's see what else we have here. Server main, server, and we're just using a server socket, and we're waiting for clients to accept. And then once we have an accepted client, we're creating a client handler, which handles all the messaging back and forth. Okay. And then that looks like that's all the keywords. Let's try an error. Let's see if we put something like, hello, this is Alex. We did not get anything. Nothing. Well, an error should have caught this. But it looks like, oh, you know what? Error. Yep, there we are. We should send that to the client though. No, that's easy. So that's basically it. If I wanted to send this to the client, an error, I could do something like no, I'd have to do worker. Do something like, I'm not going to do it right now, but you do something like this right here. No. You just do a string message. I do error plus message, not get message. And there you go, that will work. And then I just want to show you a client main really fast. So when we're creating a client, we're just putting in a server address, a server port. This is where we're getting all our information. And then right here, when we're getting the server connection, we are connecting. And then we're inputting our username. And then we're creating a server handler, which sends messages and listens to messages from the server. So right here, this is how we're getting our messages from the server. And we're sending a message, pretty simple. This is just for formatting issues, so everyone knows how to send the message. And that's pretty much it. And don't forget to make a thread for listening to messages and sending messages. And that should be it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.